So today is not about me, it's all about unboxing. So let me clean up my room because I don't have anywhere to do this video yet. So let me clean up the room and find a nice spot. Alright, so let me start off with this. What is this? Huh? I don't know what went on. I did not go to collect it. So as far as I know, it just shipped from somewhere and I am already a receiver. This is the DJI Mini 2. Doesn't it go by Mavic Mini 2? But yes, it is the DJI. It is a drone and this is what I'll be using for my videography. This is the MOVO WMX Fondue. I do not know all these names. All I know it as MOVO. So we definitely have better quality coming soon. I'm real excited. You can't believe. I'm not even showing it right now, but I'm real excited. And yo, this is the DJI. I think it is RONIN. So this is the DJI RONIN SE. I need to search that. Hold on. Okay. So this is the DJI RONIN. What was saying first? Anyway, this is what I'll be using on my Canon EOS M50 as soon as it reaches back in the country. Reaches back in the country. Arrives in the country. English. So let's get to the unboxing actually. I don't want to unbox this first because I'll have to set up the camera. So let's leave the biggest for last and start off with the smallest. So runner up is the MOVO. Now I just realized I don't have a knife, but I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. It comes in a nice small case. I really like this. It's hard. Okay, nice, perfect. This is kind of like the gimbal casing, which is different material. On the outside, that is. Let's see the inside. So, all around. So it is, as it says, it's a duo. So these are the two receivers. One person could have this, the next person could have this one, and this is, I believe, the receiver, which will be on top of my camera or whatever device I'll be using. And this would be, all the audio would be transmitted back to this. This looks so old and unprofessional. Unprofessional. Oh. Okay. So it seems as though it was already unboxed for me. Ooh, another case. I really love these cases that they come in, or these bags. This bag seems so nice. I didn't even know what size to hold it. Yo, this thing real small. I did not expect it to be this small. Bruh, look at this. I did not expect this to be so small. What? When they say mini, I was expecting. Look at this. This dual. What? This look. What? This is the drone. I'll set that down right there. This is accessories. Okay, this is cool. This has to be chargers. This is the battery. Hold up. Oh wait, no, this is the charger for the battery. I was like, this big battery going in that small thing. Oh, that's cool. And this is the come on, come out. Wait, hold up, this is for your phone. I just realized that this is for your phone. And this is this is the controller. It's cool. I don't even want to open this now, so yes, we'll just keep this here. Okay, so where is the knife? You actually get to see my face unbox this because this is going to be such a struggle. Where's the knife? Somebody, where's the knife? Okay, so like this is so compact. I don't know if I'll ever figure out this today. Okay, so I'm not figuring out this today. I'm really not figuring it out today. Let's just watch the parts and we could do a video of the inside. So I don't know, this is the grip. This is nice. This is the phone holder. This looks so heavy duty. Well, these are the parts that I really don't know about. I don't even want to try because if I mash this up, this is the extra grip. It's like a tripod. This is so cool. I don't even want to try touching this. Like, here's the cinematic.